Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan double chocolate chip cookies with olive oil. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the olive oil, soy milk, maple syrup, coconut sugar, vanilla extract, and salt, and whisk until the coconut sugar is completely dissolved. You can use any type of oil in this recipe. I personally like to use extra virgin olive oil in baking and cooking for the health benefits. Sift the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder together. If you're using a chocolate bar, chop the bar into small pieces. Add the sifted flour mixture to the olive oil mixture until well combined and uniform. Fold the chocolate chips into the dough. Scoop the dough with an ice cream scoop and place it on a baking sheet with a baking liner. Flatten the surface of the cookies. Bake them for about 15 minutes or until the surface becomes slightly puffy. These cookies can be kept in an airtight container in a room temperature for up to a week, or wrap them individually with plastic wrap and keep them in the freezer for up to a few months. I hope you enjoy making these delicious chocolate chip cookies and share them with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.